What's up, home bartenders? Let's make a spooky Halloween riff on the Manhattan. This is the Ghost of Smokey Joe. Let's do it.
We're going to start with some rye whiskey, 1 ounce, using Lot 40 Canadian rye. After that, some sweet vermouth, 3/4 ounce. Some benedictine, that is an herbal brandy liqueur, 1/2 ounce. After that, we're going to do a dash of absinthe and a dash of Angostura bitters. This is a stirred drink, so fill your mixing glass with ice and give it a good stir. We're going to strain into a chilled Nick and Nora, and then we're going to top it with a float of Lagavulin 16 single malt Islay scotch for some smokiness. But we're not going to stop there. We want more smoke, so we are going to smoke this cocktail using our smoking gun and a cloche. We're just going to let that sit in the smoke for a few minutes. And then slowly reveal.
All right, let's taste the Ghost of Smokey Joe. A lot of the smoke kind of dissipates after. I find smoking a cocktail like that primarily for show. It looks really cool. The first couple sips and the nose, you'll pick up on that smoke, but it dissipates very quickly. It doesn't really penetrate the actual liquid of the cocktail. However, we do have some Lagavulin in here, some Islay scotch, so I do expect this to be smoky and peaty. So residue of the smoke on the nose and the vermouth coming through. Very much like a Manhattan. Obviously, it's less whiskey forward. It's only 1 ounce of the rye. Vermouth present, sweeter because of the presence of the benedictine and those herbal notes, and then a little pop of anise flavor from the absinthe. With everything else going on here, I could actually use a little more Islay scotch. Maybe 1/2 ounce, and maybe don't float it, maybe just add it in with the drink. I don't think it needs to be floated, especially since you're gonna be smoking the cocktail afterwards anyways. This is a nice riff for Halloween. Cheers. We're heading into Halloween season, guys, so click here to see my whole playlist of Halloween cocktails, or click here to see my Blair Witch cocktail video from a couple of years ago. Careful, it's a scary one. Cheers.